let's try to unbox this Prestigio kit tabletop ring light with double-sided vanity mirror. So I bought it from kimstore. So let's try to check. By the way, it's 1,490 plus. Parang mga ganun yung price niya. Parang ano siya. So let's see what's inside. Yan. So ito siya. So guys, ito siya. Ayan. So 1,490. Ganyan tsura niya. Pero yung mirror, ilalagay sa setup natin sa gitna. I hope I know how to set up. So let's try to set it up. So here, yan mismong ring light. Ayan. So here we have screw. And here's the vanity mirror. Ayan yung vanity mirror niya. So this is ayan. Then we have saksakan ng mismong so this is stand. Stand. So ganyan siya. So ilagay natin. Ito yung bendable. Ayan, bendable siya. So, kakabit natin dito sa ilalim ng ring light. So, very easy siya. Without any instruction, you can do it. Ayan, kasi ito yung sa ilalim. So, just like this. Nakabit natin. Ni-screw lang. Ayan. Ni-screw mo lang siya. So, yan. So, it's fixed. I think it's ready to use. So, pwede mo siyang higpitan if you like it. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan yung adapter niya. So, we're going to put it here at the back. And then, hanggang natin sa likod. So, by the way guys, meron siyang pang lakas tsaka pang hina ng light. So, let's try to look at the light. So, it says it is 25 watts power. So, guys, nakasaksak na. So, medyo maigsi yung kanyang wire. So, let's see. Ayan. So, this is the full light. Ayan, malakas-lakas siya. And then, hinaan natin. Ayan. So, may panghina siya, may panglakas. Okay? So, it's very, maganda siya. So, for those who like to bought this or buy this, pang beauty vlogger din siya. So, maganda. I think it's not that pricey. Maganda siya. So, it's from kimstore. Ayan. So, in my case, I want to use this for my extra light while teaching. Kasi medyo madilim tayo kapag nagtuturo, lalo na kapag against the light. So, we haven't fixed our working place. So, ayan. So, guys, if you like, you can message kimstore or you can go to their store, Technopop. Ayan. Here's the ring light that I bought from Technopop. So let's start the very quick. As you can see, wala akong kilo, nagmamadali ako. So I only have 5 minutes. And then let it dry. This is, and hindi ako beauty blogger, but I hope this is a very quick makeup for PC Momshi. So this is from Bath Origins Rose Water Facial Mist. As you can see, I don't have kilay, so later I'm gonna make a magic. So here I have this one from Elana BD plus CC Makeup Primer. It has SPF 30 and it's kinda moisturizer, and for me, and it has a camellia oil, seed oil, and blah blah. So check out for this product if you are kinda interested or familiar. Ayan. So let's put it on my face. So it's like this. Virtual class ko tong space na to, since my boys are still sleeping over there sa aming sa aking vanity area. So forgot to put some moisturize. It's a Vaseline moisturizer. Hindi siya nag-focus. Okay. Yeah. So next, I have to do my huliin ko na yung kilay ko kasi ang namamadali ako. So here, from One Earth. Favorite ko to. One Earth Lip and Cheek Tint. It's a Fiery Red. Mas type ko. Meron, I know it. They have 2 shades of this. Yeah. Pero mas type ko tong color. Darker. Ayan. So, shade. Dalawa lang naman yung shade this. So this, you can use this as bronzer too if you like, but I usually use this for my eyeshadow. So here I have a Rose Sea Whitening Organic Powder. It's a loose powder from Happy Organics. Yeah. Favorite ko rin to. So, wala masyadong shade. Yes. Parang pinkish or something siya. So, see the difference from wala sa meron. So, ito. I got this from Happy Skin Perfect Rose Long Lasting Liquid Pen. So it looks like this. I think it has a box packaging. So let's continue. It's from Lasting Lip Tint from here. So it's a shade of I forgot what's the shade of this. So I'm gonna So this is the normal look that I do. I'm gonna shout out his support at small business. It's from FB. Yes, I got the packages. My favorite cartoon character. And ito, pamigay natin sa aking mga sisters. So this is the face mask envelope. Yes, so here. You can visit her online store. I'm gonna show you this online name store on FB. Name store is this one, Kacey gift shop. Yeah, see, and I got also this from her. And so this is alco body. You can hang it on your bags. Yeah, pwede siya i-spray ganun. So here, it's very important for us to have this kind of essential. This is a new normal essential, yes. So hopefully if I have time, I can do some blog about new normal essentials. So here it's these products, these cute products are from Kacey shop. So let's see how I got it. So here, I'm supporting new businesses. So here I got the Angel's Breath cologne. So I miss this so much. Na-miss niyo ba ang scent na to? High school? Yeah, I think it's from the high school days. But since then, I forgot. Kaya nga. So I'm gonna put my final touch. And sad to say, whatever we put on our face cannot be seen anymore. May kilay na, may kulay na yung lips, yung ganyan. That's okay, that's fine. We don't have to be professional, but you know, if you really want to put a full makeup on your face, okay lang. But for me, I'm a mother now, so I put my priorities in a more important way as a mother, kasi nga hindi na natin priority yung look, but not as really as your number one priority. So for us moms, we just divide our priority.